Besides all the work going on Larry's RV, another project came into the shop, but it's actually part of the shop. So one of the biggest things we've had is a relationship with Line-X for a very long time. We've created a line of colored products that we sprayed on cars. We were the first to spray our tow truck. I mean, we've done a lot of different things thinking outside the box with them, and it's worked. So now it's really time to be able to do that in-house. And one of the biggest things is we need a booth to spray it in. But in order to get that booth, we got to move around the whole shop. That takes some serious coordination while there's builds going on, while there's Larry's RV going on and everything else. So me and Kenny have put our heads together. We called up this company called Elephant Structures, which actually builds sheds with doors on them so everything can be protected. And I'm thinking we put a couple of those out back, we put the parts in those, we move the water jet into the vault, and then we assemble the booth where the water jet was.
My name's Victor Castro. We're here today at West Coast Customs to build them 2 garages. The structures are all prefabbed, everything. We just come here and assemble everything. It's like a big puzzle. It just takes us anywhere from 5-6 hours each building to assemble everything. Nice and easy.
Now that we have the structures built, it's time to make room for the water jet so we can get the Line-X booth set up. So now it's time to get this mess into those structures.